Good evening. My name is Jenny Customer. October of year 2019. In comparison of the software program in the company solar organization tan are sigo y financial sen. Sigo advantage. It's to process the information in safer way. It is transferred in the K2 web, dealing with the accounting process of the company regards of the sector when it is local of the site we have. Allow you to control investors and are your company into there is the league of the bonds in halves of in the up to that the age operation in the age operation in the non necess to the control to hand in the system correct. Disadvantages. It is necessary to net manual of the period maintenance so that you can work optical on this general and actional conclusion. It's two quadrants and adverting for Andy depend on the company and what to do with you are an entity. Advertence final sen. Acts as virtual what do electronic controlled company is user information so as the payment reports come statements with links certificates returns invoices some information in live for team is specific with the company. This service has brought the issue and the person receive the invoice to automate the billing process, the eliminating manual labor marketing on the web for the send and receive information reducing costs. Desventajas of la maximum information 6 months. It's sprung and developed in this hat online tax team on the information. This software what markets its aims for the company e-consumer to the when they have and the discount info. Thank you.